Underneath the street lights glow, shadows creep, concrete jungle whispers, secrets I keep. Knuckles bruised, heart like a ticking bomb. Fists write stories where words don't belong. Break it down, tear it up, no retreat. Echoes in the alleys, my pulse, my beat. No crown, no throne, just the fire I own. Shadow play, I'm carving my name in stone. Graffiti screams louder than the sirens wail. Truth in the cracks where the roses fail. Every step's a gamble, dice roll in the dark. Steel in my veins, I'm the spark, I'm the mark. Do you hear it? The rhythm of the fight. Do you feel it? The hunger in the night. Break it down, tear it up, no retreat. Echoes in the alleys, my pulse, my beat. No crown, no throne, just the fire I own. Shadow play, I'm carving my name in stone. Eyes like embers, they watch but don't see. I'm a storm in the making, wild and free. No map, no plan.